Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kikewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 4 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of practical number 4 is Uses of Bullets, Numbering, Page Formatting in a Word Processing. The practical significance of fourth practical as bullets and numbering are used to arrange the list of things with auto numbering bullets with different styles and make list easier to read and follow. Using page formatting feature such as page margin, page orientation, header and footer, indentation, insert and tab, this practical is useful for developing necessary skills to use bullets and numbering option and format the page in many ways. The relevant course outcome is to prepare business document using word processing tool. The learning outcome of this practical is to use a bullets, numbering and page formatting options. You require practical skills like to apply bullet and numbering to a document. You can set bullet and numbering with different formats. You require a skills to apply page formatting feature. Some theoretical background is also required. So while creating a Word document, one need to give emphasis on formatting to make a document more presentable and readable. Document creator editor need to consider various options to ensure that the document is well formatted. Most of the word processing tools gives the facility for text level formatting like bold, italic, underline. Use of paragraph and line spacing makes a good enough space between lines which gives good look to a document. With good formatting, one need to look for proper page setting like page size, margin and orientation. This allow ease of setting printer, spelling and grammatical check features makes document error free. Use of appropriate header and footer is desirable along with bullets to categorize the document. To perform this practical, you require the resource like computer system. You may use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any such other type of software. The procedure to complete this practical is use the bullet and numbering and page formatting options. You can also use different options to set bullets and numbering style and format it. You can create a document and apply operations to perform these all tasks. You can also apply page formatting features to a document file. Now, for this practical, you have to follow the exercise. You have to open a file which is available on your system. You can add some points and mark them as a bullet change, bullet style and verify the result. Also, you have to create a new document and make following setting for page layout. I will be going to demonstrate how to perform practical number 4. So, to perform practical number 4, you require to open a file which is available on your system. You have to add some points. So, I have already added some points in the Word document. Now, to apply the different editing options like you can add bullets, numbering to the sentence which is available in your document. So, to apply the bullets, choose the sentence to which you want to apply the formatting and then click on the bullet option which is available under Home tab. There are different bullet formats are available. You can choose any one bullet options and then click on it. So, the bullets are applied to the selected sentence. Or you can also apply it on the paragraph. I want to apply the bullets to the next two sentence. So I have selected the sentence and then click on the bullet tab which is available in Home tab and then select bullet type which you want to provide. This is how you can apply the bullet. You can define the new bullet for your text also. So you can go with symbols, pictures and different fonts and you also set the alignment for the bulleting. If you want to provide numbering, then again choose the paragraph or sentence to which you want to provide the numbering and then click on the numbering tab. It is available in Home tab. Then click on it. It will display the different option in which you can provide the numbering. The numbering is also available in normal 1 2 3 or Roman 1 2 3 or capital ABC, small ABC. You can choose any one numbering options to apply the numbering. You can also create the multi-level list by clicking on this multi-level list option. So whenever you are going to set a paragraph, a sentence within a paragraph, you can go with the multi-level list. Now the next exercise is to create a document and make following setting, like you have to change the page size as A4. So to do this page level formatting, go to layout tab, then choose the different options available here. The first option is you can set the margin. You can set the left, top, right and bottom margin of the particular page. You can also go with the custom margin option to select the type of margin that you want. You can apply it to a single page or you can apply it to multiple pages of your document also. Then the next option is orientation. You can make the orientation as a portrait and landscape. To do the landscape orientation, click on landscape. So your document is look like this way. The next is size. There are different sizes available. You can select the type of size that you want. So here they have mentioned you have to apply the A4 size. So I have selected the A4 size. Then you can go with the column options also. This column option divide your document into 1 or 2 column. Likewise, the selected portion is divided into 2 columns. You can also provide the page border. To provide border to page, go to layout tab, then click on the down arrow from page setup group, select the layout tab and here one option is available, border. Now it will provide the page border option. You can provide the box, shadow border, 3D border. Likewise, you can choose the different styles of border. You can also choose the color of this particular border, width of border, and you can also provide the shading to border. This is how you are going to apply the page border. So this is all about the demonstration of practical number 4. After performing this practical, you have to solve the practical related questions. Here you have to explain the significance of gutter in page setting. And the second question is demonstrate procedure to create the multi-level list. You can also write the answer of question like demonstrate procedure to mark starting page number as 10. Thanks for watching.